Hey, hello. If you're the one of the people that are finding me on my double quick action pump video, um, that's what I've used for years. That, when I started, you weren't able to use a pump. You had to blow them up. And I can still blow them up, no problem. Piece of cake. But nowadays, because of this strange new world we live in, people are not comfortable with you blowing up balloons anymore at all, right? Any kind of germs, nobody likes it. So the pumps are great. However, I thought I would give you my recommendation on an electric pump because just this last Christmas season, 2022, I had a gig on Christmas night where I had to make 92 balloon hats in 90 minutes. So 90 kids, 90 minutes, 2 balloon hats. And so I went ahead and splurged. I was making good money. It was Christmas night, so I charged them good money, right? And I bought myself a pump. And I want you to know I love it. I've been using it for all of these videos. I'll probably never go back to the other pump. So I did want to do a quick recommendation video on it, and I'll tell you why. So the name of the pump is a Lagenda. Comes in a bag just like this. I will give you a link down below in the description for this. I bought mine on Amazon. It was like $189 with tax, and it's crazy good, really crazy good. So it comes in this great sturdy bag. When you use it, I certainly wouldn't use it in the bag because you want airflow to go through it. And what you see is you've got some things here. You can tell it how much pressure you want to use. You can even tell it how much to blow up if you're doing like round balloons or tires. You have a couple of other buttons, all of that kind of stuff. For me and for you, the only thing you're going to be using is one button. So the on-off button's on the back. The plug is in the back also, but it is obviously battery charged, right? It turns on, it lights up. All of a sudden you've got a pump. Now the handle also happens to have a little balloon cutter on it, right? I used to hang these around my neck. This is right here now on the pump. What a great idea. So the way I do it is I set it up where it's kind of side to me. So the nozzle is here and my finger's near the button. And the reason is I can put the balloon on it and push the button, okay? It is that easy. You just make sure you line the balloon up, push the button. Go as long as you want. It might take a little while, to figure out how long you want it to be. But for me, I did all 90 balloons. Here's some pictures right here. I did all 90 kids, 2 balloon hats in 90 minutes. I also did balloon hats on the teachers, and I also took the time to take pictures. So that's how fast this enabled me to do it. There was no problem with charge. There was no problem with it running out of power. So I haven't used it for a 4, 5, 6 hour gig, okay? I can't give you that recommendation, but it seems to me like it's very sturdy. It does a great job. Now, I want to show you one more thing, and that is the battery that I can bring with it. And let me go grab it right now. So I do shows that are outdoor in parking lots. I do bingo shows in parks and stuff like that, and I have a sound system that I use. And sometimes the shows are 2 hours, 3 hours, and my battery on my sound system doesn't last long enough. So I bought this little thing. It's a Westinghouse iGen 300S. And what it does is once it's charged, you can plug in 2 things in it. You can charge your phone. It's got a light. It's got, juice, right? It's got power. So if I were going to do 3 or 4 hours, since I don't know how long it's going to last, I would bring this with me and just bring the charging cord, and it works with the cord. So if you're out in the field, use one of these also, okay? They're on Amazon. You can find them. Okay, but let me just show you this. One other thing. So not only can you blow balloons as fast as you can, but it gives you the ability to do this, all right? I grab the balloon, not the nozzle end, I grab the back end. I make sure it's nice and flat around my finger. Nice and flat. Now here's the 2 things you don't want to do. You don't want to stretch it, and you don't want to let it twist as it goes around your finger. If you do that, it won't inflate right. But This pump enables you to do this. And you can make curlicue balloons just that fast. I use these for hats, stuff like that, my surfer. So anyway, here's the pump that I would recommend. I love it. I've been using it for every single one of these balloon videos. It keeps me going. It's called a Lagenda, I think, and I'll have a link down in the description. All right. Good luck and have fun. See you later. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, right? And also check out my coaching my coaching website and the coaching videos, because my goal is to help you work more, spread more joy, have more fun. All right. Have a great day.